Welcome to the Vision Simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate one sense of the human body, sight. The investigation will focus on how the eyes see color and the value of this sense in helping to identify objects encountered in the world. The bulb color slider allows you to change the color on the light bulb. The red button on the flashlight turns on and off the light. The particle button provides a visual for how light sometimes acts as particles and other times acts as waves. The filter color option gives you a way to block the light with a colored filter and see what color light emerges from the filter. Move the small black slider to place or remove the filter from the path of the light beam. The four thought bubbles indicate what color light from the light beam the person's brain appears to see. The internal button provides a view of the major organs and structures associated with sight that are located inside a person's head. The pause button freezes the on-screen action. The button toggles to a play button for returning to the motion state of the screen. The orange reset button returns the screen to its original state.